thing I would do is just take this clear balloon. I will put the link down below, and then you know when you could purchase them. So the first thing you will do before you blow air on it, you will have to stretch them out. So you will stretch them vertical and horizontal, and then you just go ahead and blow it, and it will just turn out like that. So then I purchased these balloon stick at Walmart, and it brings like 12 for 79 cents. And then I just went ahead and put it through the little stick, and this is how they turn out. And then I purchased these boxes in Dollar Tree with this foam, floral foam. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 3 of them and attach them with hot glue gun. Attaching them into the boxes, and then I would just take some flowers and put it through the foam. But before I do that, what I would have to do first is put some hot glue and then attach them for better attachment. And then I'm just going to go ahead and continue putting flowers until I fill out the whole thing. Then I just took the plastic from the balloons and I just wrap it around. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take the ribbons and tie it. Make sure you tie it very good because this is what's going to hold your balloon in place. So then I just went ahead and make a knob into the. Then I'm going to take this stick and put it inside, and then I'm going to take this ribbon and just put it through it to measure it and cut it that is the right length. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side as well. One thing I'm going to make sure is when I glue it is to glue it inside, and then I'm just going to go ahead and take the flower and put some hot glue and just put it on top of it and just put it up around it. One thing that I forgot to do is these beads that you're supposed to put it inside before you put the flower, so it could be heavier. So make sure you do it before you attach the flower to it. So then I just went ahead and put it through this little hole, and then I just fill it up with these beads to make it heavier. So then after that, you see how it's a little bit wobbly. So what I decided to do was take these pins, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it through the little foam. And make sure you use the white foam that they sell, because the flower foam is a little bit it will still be wobbly. The other one is stronger. So the next step I did was grab this cute little spoon from Dollar Tree, and then I got these flowers. I will put the link down below where you can get them as well. And then I just put some hot glue on the back of it, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it to the little spoon. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put this through the foam and just put like 4 of them around that. You could put as many as you would like. And then this is how they turn out. So then I got this rhinestone, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put it across, just measure it like that and cut it out. And then you're just gonna go ahead and glue it.